Colors speak louder than words. It hooks the reader, especially in the modern era where papers are published online on the web pages. It is necessary to learn how to use the colors in the research papers to attract the readers. There are four types of color plates. The one is complementary color plate, analogous color plate, trite color plate, and square color plate. So we will discuss everyone that what do they mean and how we can use it in our figures and tables, etc. For example, the first one is complementary colors, and here in the figure you can see that in the complementary colors we select exactly opposite colors of the players. As you can see that when opposite colors are selected on the color plate, they will be easily visible for the people. They will be easily for the reader to understand and read it. The second one is analogous color. In the analogous color, adjacent colors are used to represent any data. Especially it is usually used in statistics to show the data in the adjacent colors. But the issue with that color is that because these colors are adjacent to each other, they overlap with each other, so it will be very difficult for reader to differentiate the statistics, and they will not be able to get your point. The third one is the trite colors. It is actually the same wheel of the colors, but three colors having equal distance from each other are selected. So instead of selecting two colors, they are selecting three colors having equal distance from each other. So if we are using the two color, if we are drawing any figure where we need only two colors, then we will use the complementary color. But if we want or we need the three colors, then we will use the trite colors. Similarly, there is one other plate which is called a square colors. This will be used where we will need four colors to draw any figures, to draw any flow charts, etc. This is exactly the same color plate, but we are selecting four colors which are having equal distance from each other. So from these colors plate, you can imagine, you can think that the three colors which we should use. The first one is the complementary colors. If we will use this if we are going to use two colors. The third one is the trite colors. We will use this if we are going to use three colors, and similarly we will use the square colors if we are going to use four colors in our research article. It actually depends where are you publishing, what type of data you are going to represent, but for easy understanding and make the reader easy in differentiation, these are the best options. So here are some other tips which we should follow while drawing, while designing our graphics. Color truly depends on where they are used. However, too many colors will distract the reader, so avoid the too many colors to make it just like a colorful thing. You have to use the colors according to your need, as we discussed some plates, 2 colors, 3 colors, or 4 colors. You know that yellow colors is not exactly visible, so if you are going to use yellow colors for showing statistics, then definitely your reader will not be able to get across your point. Use the color scheme according to the color blind visions. We know that there are a lot of colorblind people in our community. They are working, they are reading these papers, so we have to keep in mind these people, and we have to use these we have to avoid these colors where which colors are complicated to them. So the green and red colors are usually complicated colors. They are overlapping for the colorblind people, so you have to avoid these colors. For publication online and for publication in a hard copy, there are two types of publications. For publication online, usually RGB color, red, green and blue colors are used, and for printing on hard copy, usually CMYK colors are used. So you have to design your graphics accordingly, where your paper is going to be published online or whether it is going to publish on the hard copy. The background color of the figures, you have to note that try to avoid the colors of the background, because your forefront image will not be visible to the reader. If you are going to use it and you need it, you have to use some simple colors which differentiate with the front colors, and avoid colors which are difficult to differentiate, and always create simple design. Simple design will be easy for the readers and they will easily get your point across. Thank you so much for watching.